Okay, so now we have this reduced into a 3x3. This is almost exactly the same as a 3x3 now to this point. So we're going to solve for the green cross. So we just pull an arm like that. And this is green and red, so we just match this up to the red like that. Go look for your other edge pieces here. This is green and orange. See, it's green and orange. So you just bring it under the orange, then bring it up. If it's like that, we can do this simple algorithm from the 3x3 video. In order to switch the orientation. So then you just continue filling the green cross until we have the green cross done. So now we're going to have to put the corners in. So just move it under the location you want and do the R prime, D prime, R, D. Until you get it into the spot you want. So then just continue doing this around the cube. Just filling in all the corners. This should be very basic now because I already taught you all these moves in the 3x3 video, so we can get our green side relatively easy. Now there's still nothing new in solving these two layers here. It's the exact same moves as the 3x3, so you just match these guys up and look if it's either on the left or right and do those same algorithms to solve these two layers here. You could also do the F2L technique and solve for the edges and corners at the same time. But I just prefer to do this because it reduces errors. So now all three of these layers are done. Those are all the same moves from the Rubik's Cube 3x3 video. So now we're at this point here where we have this 3-arm cross and we want to make the full cross. You could either have one of 3 possible options. You might have just you could have the blue square, you could have the line, you could have a 1-arm cross where you'd only have like this blue center here and then one of them might be up, or you could have this case here where it's a 3-arm cross. So regardless of which case you have, if you have the 1-arm cross or the 3-arm cross, it's the exact same moves. If you have the box, you just do that FRU algorithm and to get the 4 branches. But if you have something like this where it's 3 arms or you have 1 arm, make sure the 1 arm's over here. Then do this following algorithm: right, right, back, back, up, up, left, up, right, prime, up, right, up, front, right, front, left, back, right. In order to get your 4 arms here. So then you just have to match up your centers. You could either have them, just keep moving the top until you match them up. In this case here we have the white and the yellow, they're matched up across from each other. So we just do this following algorithm. So we get these two now have the correct pairing. So we just do that algorithm again. And now all of these centers are paired correctly. Now we have to solve for corners. Similarly to the 2x2, you could either have the case here where you have 2 of these corners solved, or they're in the right spot, which is the exact same as the 2x2. You could have 1 of them in the right spot, in which case you would just do the this algorithm here to switch them around. But in this case here I have 2 of them, right? So the 2 that I have done, I will put them to the back so that this piece here and this piece here need to be switched. Then you just do that same algorithm that you do for the 3-arm cross. You go right, right, back, back, up, up, left, up, right, up, front, right, front, left, back, right, in order to get the corners all in the correct spot. But when you do that, you'll be switching these two centerpieces here and these two, so they need to be switched, and you can do that by this quick little algorithm here. Now note, you're only turning this middle layer here. It's not both of them, it's only the middle one. So what I do is I turn the middle one twice, then you go top, then the middle one twice again, and then you go these two layers here, then you go the middle one again, then you go twice with the big one with both of them, and then twice with just the single top, and then you can switch those two centers. So now you just have these two corners that are done, and then you can just do the R prime, D prime, R, D to finish these off. Just move the top when you're done the corner. So this to show you that center switching move out again, I'm going to go just turn the middle layer twice, this middle right layer twice, then turn the top layer once, then go turn the middle layer twice again. Now both top layers twice, then the middle layer one final time, then both layers twice, and then the top layer twice. So then you switch these two and these two. And that's it.
This has been a Cube-A-Lot exclusive.